very good. See, just record it there. Yeah, yeah. Everything is happening. It's a concentric collapse. Lateral wall, anterior wall, everything is okay. Base of tongue, that's the larynx. Bit more anterior, bit more anterior, bit more. The laryngeal level is okay. Vibrate and laryngeal level is okay. It's lateral wall. See that? See. See, the tongue base and lateral wall. Very good, very good. Hypopharyngeal and tongue base, lateral wall, all these areas have been active. Did you just get it? There is smoking holes in the trachea. You can see bronchus. One inside the, yeah, that's, don't go, you cross that pocket. Leaking. A bit more up, you can see the collapsing area. A bit more up. Anterior, you can see the epiglottis. A bit more, bit more. And that's the epiglottic area. This is a very good diagnostic tool for obstructive sleep apnea before surgery. I think this is the best investigation one can do.
Almost every
time. The thing is, snoring is too much. This is just. So tell Dr. Thomas what you have given the anesthesia for.
I have initially given him 0.2 milligrams of glycopyrrolate. Glycopyrrolate is to dry out secretions in his airway. Atropine like substance, but with less tachycardia. Heart rate doesn't go up much, but it dries the secretions of the airway, so it doesn't interfere with the visualizing of the airway. If too much secretion there, you cannot visualize. Then I infuse. I put up about 20 milligram or 20 ml of 20 ml of propofol inside an infusion. As an infusion, I put it in 100 ml of normal saline. Then I infused it at a rate so as to give him about 90 microgram per kilogram body weight. So I had to put it at around 5 ml per hour.
That is infusion, not bolus.
5 ml per minute.
Not bolus.
As an infusion. And I maintained that infusion. Initially I gave it a little more because generally he went into sleep.
Okay.
Once he went into sleep, I maintained it at this rate.
So you can see very nicely the hypopharyngeal collapse there, and laryngeal level there is no obstruction. It is upper airway obstruction. So this is a classical case of obstructive sleep apnea. You can hear the sound of snoring. You see this is the way he is snoring. He is snoring. See, this is a sleep-induced state. See, you can hear the sound. So very loud. And that is from there you can see there also. Let's see, you are in the trachea now. Bronchoscopy you are doing, huh?
It's inside that.
It's inside the trachea, subglottic. Just look at the area above the epiglottis. I want to see how the tongue base. So ബ്രേക്ക് ടച്ച് ചെയ്താണ്
അതെ
ഒന്നും ടച്ച് ചെയ്ത വോളും ടച്ച് ചെയ്ത ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ ഉണ്ട് ആൻറ്റിബോഡി I want to see the collapse more the sucking. See, this is the that is the tonsil and retrobulbar area. It's a very good examination to plan, surgically plan the treatment. Because if we did not do this test, we don't know where are the areas of obstruction. You know, we just blindly go and do some procedures here and there. We do UPP, do tonsil, but exact areas we don't know. So by this, the surgeon can see directly. It is better than MRI. Some people do dynamic MRI because in olden days sleep endoscopy was not very popular. So people used to do dynamic endoscopy and they just give a CD and we can assess it. But this is much better than dynamic endoscopy. And the other advantage is that if he had already consulted, we could have done the surgery straight. But he wants to know how the obstruction is. Nitish.
Come on, open your eyes.
Kannu thoranne. Is open your eyes.
This.
Is in apnea now. See.
Thank you, sir.
He is in apnea and see the snoring. So the clean the tip.
Position ingane വെക്കുമ്പോൾ.
Position, this is the no.
Okay, this is in anatomy.
That's in anatomy position. So he was given advice to wear a CPAP from one of the corporate big hospital in Chennai. I can't tell the name because it's not fair. It's seen by the ENT surgeon, not the pulmonologist. But they should have done the full workup. We usually do from the history, from the spouse or the parents or the then what we do is we'll do an ENT examination, then we will do the full blood work, then we will do X-ray, ECG. We have done a PFT also, pulmonary function test. Then we did a awake endoscopy. The awake endoscopy problem is that because of the resting muscle tone, we can't assess properly the areas of obstruction. Then we did MRI, and because he's having a little bit of daytime sleepiness and memory loss, so I want to see if there is any circulatory problem to the brain, any hypoxemia causing problem in the brain. So MRI was done. Then last night we repeated this deep study, which showed severe obstructive sleep apnea. Oxygen saturation was coming to 70%. Then he had 50 or 60 episodes of snoring events. Then doing the sleep endoscopy, we know where the obstructions are, and next week he is coming for obstructive sleep apnea surgery. He is planning next week. Maybe he will stay Monday, till Monday. Monday will go. Okay. Thank you very much. That's it. This is the anesthetist has kept all his gadgets here, all the endoscopes and these things in case of emergency. Okay, thank you.